morning, good afternoon, good evening. We are back here with another how-to video. Today's video is going to be how to record your desktop free of charge. No ifs, ands, or buts. It's actually very simple. You can kind of see it at the bottom of my screen here. It's this little icon that's right beside the Internet Explorer icon. Very quick, very simple to use. You can record literally anything using it. But let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to go to Google in your browser. You want to type in Streamlabs. You want to click on the first link that pops up in the browser. And honestly, it's that simple. You just click on the download Streamlabs. It will come up in the bottom of your screen, and you want to click run, save as to wherever you would like it. Sometimes some people like to save it to the desktop. Some people like to save it under documents or some sort of files. Me personally, I just saved it, ran it, and then I linked it right to the bottom taskbar. Once you have that downloaded, you want to click run. Once you click run and you open up the screen, it'll look something like this. Honestly, it's very confusing at first. Like when I first opened it up, it was very confusing. But after a few minutes of, getting the hang of it, I hooked up everything to it. I have my speakers, I have my microphone, and you just basically click record. You want to have this first one here checked off. It's what allows you to record using your desktop. The other one is just for streaming. You can stream through Twitch or YouTube using this as well. So it's very multi-purpose use in case you guys wanted to stream or record any type of video. But anyways, guys, that was a quick, sweet, short, simple video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, drop that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Stay tuned for some more content, and I guess we'll see you fucking later. Peace out.